Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to resize multiple image files all at once in Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Photo Resizer HD. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it. Just tap on install to install this application. Wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on continue. Click on OK. Now you can see your gallery option, right? So you can just tap on it and just select the respective pictures you want to resize. So say I want to resize multiple pictures at a time, so I will just select multiple pictures. So I will select 6 different picture or the image file, and I will just click on select. And now you will get a tons of option to do a customization before resizing all the pictures. So by default the image size is set to 480 pixels. Just tap on it, so you can get a different pixels up to how much pixels you want to resize. You can get a custom also depending upon how much pixel you want to set. So in my case I want to set it to 500. You can set it more also, or you want to increase the pixel size, then you can increase. Just click on OK. After that, now you can see the next option, JPEG quality. So by default it is set to 95%. If you want to set it to 100%, then you can just set it, and you can just enable or disable scale up. That means if you want to increase the picture aspect ratio or the size or the resolutions more than the original picture size, then you can just disable this option. But right now I don't want to scale up. That means I don't want to increase the image resolutions. And you can see the next option is sharpening. So if you want more clearer pictures in spite of low pixels compared to the original one, then you can just enable it to the high also. So I will keep it at high because I'm going to decrease my original pictures to the 500 pixels. And if you want to keep all the data or the details of your respective pictures, then you can just enable this, then it will keep all the metadata or the details of the respective pictures. And next to it is the output directory. So this is the location where your pictures will get saved, and the output file name. So on the below you can see two options. On the left side there is a string, so you can click either on the string or you can click either on the play button. So let me click on the right side play button. So the process has been completed. Let us go to the gallery application, and now you will see one newly created folder. So let me open it. So these are the resized pictures which I have resized all at once. So you can see here these are all the 6 different pictures which I have resized all at once. So using this application named as Photo Resizer HD, you can resize multiple image files all at once in Android smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.